I have installed different OTT platforms, apps, and some video players, and I created the split screens. Okay, so that whenever you want, you can just access that split screen shortcut, and you can play them together. So, for example, if you click on the shortcut, it will play the map as well as the Wink music. At the same time, if you want to open the split screen with the map and as well as the uh, YouTube, you can play it. And if you want to play some local video and audio, you can create a split screen with maps and VLC, and you can easily play videos. Okay, so what you just need to do, once you set up your tab as you like, and once you fix this mount, you have to just create a split screen so that you can play both the apps together and you can control those. So I'll quickly show you how to create the split screen if you are not aware. So basically, first you need to open one app. Let's say, for example, I opened this maps, and just click on the multitasking window, and just long press, and you need to click the split screen. So you already have this app on the split screen, and any other app you would like to tag along with this the first split screen, you can do that. Or you wanted to see the other apps, so the split screen, whatever the first selection you done, it will be available here. So you can select any other app. So any app which is having the split screen support, you can just select that app so that it will create a split screen, okay, for that app and as well as the first selection app. So whichever the app you would like to have at the left hand side, you need to first pick up that app, and the second app will come on the right side. So I wanted to create a split screen with Hotstar, and but I would like to see Hotstar at the left side, and this is at the right side, the maps at the right side. So what I will do, first I will open the Hotstar app, okay, and then I will go to the floating windows, and I will select the Hotstar app first, okay, and then now I need to pick up the maps. So what I will do, I will pick up the maps from here, so that my maps will come at the my left hand side. If you don't want to repeat the same thing again and again, and you wanted to just save this split screen, so just press the home button and minimize everything, and you will see those split screen option here. So just long press on the split screen and just click on add to home screen, so that you will see the split screen shortcut there. So from next time onwards, whenever you wanted to open that, just click on that, so you will see the split screen. See, I will just quickly toggle between different split screens.